In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stream OBS to Discord. By the end, you'll have your OBS scene showing up as your camera inside a Discord call, so whatever you build in OBS, overlays, gameplay, slides, or your webcam layout will appear to everyone on the call. First, make sure OBS is installed, set up, and running. Open it and confirm your scene looks the way you want. Add your sources, arrange them, and check your audio and visuals. When OBS is running, it provides a virtual camera that other apps can use as a video source. Most of the time, this appears automatically. If you don't see it later in Discord, look in OBS for the virtual camera control and start it so the device becomes available. Next, head over to Discord and join a call. This can be a private call or a voice channel. Either one works. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of Discord and click the settings gear. This opens your user settings, where you'll connect Discord's camera input to what OBS is outputting. In settings, go to voice and video. Scroll to the camera section. In the camera dropdown, select OBS Virtual Camera. If it doesn't appear at first, give Discord a moment to refresh the list, or switch back to OBS to make sure the virtual camera is running. Then return to Discord and try again. Selecting this tells Discord to use whatever OBS is showing as your camera feed. After you've selected OBS Virtual Camera, close settings and return to your call. Turn on your camera in Discord. Instead of your physical webcam alone, you'll now see your full OBS scene, exactly as it appears in the OBS preview. This means anything you put on top, text, images, window captures, gameplay, or a picture-in-picture webcam, will show up to everyone in the call. If you need to make changes, just adjust your scene inside OBS. Updates appear in Discord in real time. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Keep OBS and Discord open side by side the first time, so you can confirm the preview updates. If your video looks cropped or letterboxed, check your OBS canvas resolution and match it to a common 16:9 size for best results. Also remember that the virtual camera only handles video. Your microphone is still controlled by Discord's input device setting, so make sure the correct mic is selected there. And that's all. With OBS running and Discord set to use the OBS virtual camera, you're streaming your OBS scene straight into the call.